Hey everyone, I'm Simply Bonnie. I have another Boxycharm update for you all. I'm going to make this one very short and sweet since there's only a couple items. But first, make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so already, as well as clicking the little bell right next to it so you can get notified every time there's a Boxycharm update, as well as clicking that like button and comment down below. Now on to the updates. I also want to remind you guys to check YouTube, Instagram, and the Facebook groups of Boxycharm and Yosef to make sure you get your up-to-date Boxycharm updates in case I haven't posted anything yet. Just to go over what we already know we're getting, which is the Laura Lee Party Animal Palette. We also know there's going to be a variation of one of the three products listed here. You could get a variation of the lashes, or you could get the Tarte Mascara, or one of the three Becca primers. Now let's get on to the new spoilers. The theme of this month has been revealed, and the theme is called Life of the Party. And it all makes more sense with this theme and all the products actually go together. I'll explain that at the end. Now down here on the bottom left-hand corner, you can see Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Eye Mask. And they're only showing 2. And when I looked it up at Sephora, they sell in a box of like 5 or 6 count for $25. So I don't know how they would price 2. When you look at the top in the middle, there seems to be a little glass jar with some kind of oil in it. When you zoom it in, it looks like it's the NCLA Nail Cuticle Oil. And then the final spoiler that it's still unclear of what it is that little box in the middle. We can see on the box it says Bang Beauty. Now when I went and did my research and looked on Bang Beauty's website, they only have a couple eye things and lip gloss. And of course, that little thing is a lip gloss, so it has to be one of these eye products. And here's what you see on the screen is some of the screenshots that I had taken of what it could be. It had little eyeshadow pots, some blushes, and an eyeliner. My personal guess, and like I said, this is just a guess, that it could be a shimmer eyeshadow. And why I say that is because Laura Lee's palette is all matte. So if you're going to be the life of the party, you're going to need a little shimmer, if you know what I mean. Plus, we got a blush last month, but that doesn't mean we're going to not get one this month, but that's just a guess. And that's the end of the spoilers that I had found. And I can see why they're calling the theme Life of the Party this month, because you have Laura Lee's Party Animal Palette. You'll also be getting the mascara or the lashes to help tie a look together, as well as the primer to make sure your makeup stays on all night long. And then of course the eye masks are just to recuperate in the morning. And just the other little things that we'll be getting. But anyways, that's the end of this video, guys. Like I said, this was going to be just real short, simple, sweet, straight to the point. Of course, if there's any other updates to Boxyluxe, I will make a video on it. When I do get my Boxycharm box, I will do an unboxing as well as maybe a try-on if you guys would like to see that, where I will be on camera for that one. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. And as always, please subscribe if you haven't done so already, as well as clicking the little bell right next to it so you get notified every time I upload a video like this. And hit that like button if you like these types of videos. And comment down below and let me know if you're excited for Boxycharm this month, or if you have any idea what the Bang Beauty item is. And make sure to follow me on all my social media that'll be listed in my outro. And until my next video, I'll talk to you later.